Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to write a book. First, navigate to Canva's design platform and search for book or ebook templates. Select a template that aligns with your book's genre and style. Next, customize the page size to match standard book dimensions, such as 6 by 9 inches for a novel. Ensure your margins are set to at least 1/2 inch to prevent text from being cut off during printing. This initial setup is crucial for a professional-looking final product. Once your template is ready, begin adding your book's content. Copy and paste your manuscript into the designated text boxes on each page. Pay close attention to typography, selecting 1 or 2 complementary fonts for your headings and body text. Maintain a consistent font size throughout, typically 12-point for body text. Enhance your narrative with relevant images or illustrations, ensuring they are high resolution and properly attributed. Canva offers a vast library of stock photos and elements to choose from. Another effective method for getting new blossom seeds is by harvesting them directly from your existing plants. Once your blossoms have faded, allow the seed pods or heads to fully mature and dry on the plant. This ensures the seeds are viable and ready for collection. Look for pods that have turned brown and are slightly brittle. Carefully remove the seeds, clean them of any chaff, and store them in airtight containers. Proper storage ensures your seeds remain viable for future planting seasons. Before exporting, meticulously proofread your entire book for any grammatical errors, typos, or formatting inconsistencies. It is highly recommended to have at least 2 other people review your manuscript. Once satisfied, export your book as a print PDF to ensure the highest quality for printing. This format preserves all fonts and images. Finally, prepare your book for distribution by understanding the specific requirements of different publishing platforms, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Ingram Spark. You are now ready to share your story.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.